Add passes and transit value to your contactless bank card to take advantage of transfer discounts. First, tap your bank card on the circular reader to pull up your account. Then choose to add transit value or a pass. Let's choose transit value. Decide if you want to pay with cash or your card. Choose how much you want to add onto your card. Then decide if you want to pay by debit or credit. Insert your card with the stripe facing out. Enter your zip code. Decide if you want a receipt. And you're on your way. Let's purchase a Ventra ticket. Choose single ride or one-day ticket on the home screen. Decide how many tickets you want to buy. Then decide how you want to pay. If you choose cash, just insert money into the cash slot. Vending machines do not give change. Decide if you want a receipt. Grab your ticket, and you're on your way. Let's check your balance. Just tap the circular reader with your Ventra card or contactless bank card. Check your balance on the screen, and you're on your way. Okay, let's add a pass to your Ventra card. Start by tapping your card on the circular reader. Then hit the Add Pass button. Decide what kind of pass you want, and then how you want to pay. If you pay by credit or debit card, insert your card with a stripe facing out. Enter your zip code. Decide if you want a receipt. And you're on your way. Let's add transit value to your Ventra card. First, tap your card on the circular reader. Then hit the Add Transit Value button. Decide if you want to pay with cash or a credit or debit card. If you choose cash, insert your money into the slot. Vending machines do not give change. Decide if you want a receipt. And you're on your way. Let's purchase a new Ventra card. First, select New Ventra Card. There will be a $5 refundable purchase fee. Then decide if you want to add transit value or a pass. If you choose a pass, decide which pass you want. Then select how you want to pay for it. If you pay with your credit or debit card, insert it with a card stripe facing out. Enter your zip code. Decide if you want a receipt. Grab your new Ventra card, and you're on your way. To board with Ventra, just remove the card you want to charge from your wallet. Touch the yellow target with your Ventra card, and go when you see the green Go. With Ventra, one touch and you're on your way. Transit innovation has arrived. With the Ventra app, now there's no need for a plastic Ventra card. You can add one right to your phone. To get started, just open the Ventra app. Tap on Set up your first Ventra card, then choose Add Ventra card to Apple Wallet. Name your card. Add a transit product and check out. Tap Add to Apple Wallet. Follow the prompts to finish the process, and you're ready to tap and go on your next ride. Plus, you can quickly add value or passes in-app or online. With Ventra on iPhone, the future of transit is now in your hands. The future is here. Introducing Ventra Card on iPhone to pay for transit. To get started, open the Ventra app. Tap on Ventra Cards to view your existing cards. Select the existing card you want to add, and then tap Add to Apple Wallet. Continue to follow the prompts, and you'll see a confirmation your Ventra Card has been added to your Apple Wallet. And you're all set. You can also quickly add value or passes in-app or online. We suggest you cut up and toss your plastic Ventra Card, as it will no longer work. Now, you can tap and go with ease for CTA and Pace rides.